during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day. To say hello, you'll make my day. First things first, if you are someone currently hiring and is going... Wait, what? Wait, what?
Oh, you're hearing that one too. Oh.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Through my portfolio. Hi! Have fun skimming through it. Now that this is out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. I usually do gaming stuff on these channels. Yes, this is multi-streamed. Speedrunning, video essays, tutorials, etc. This time, I'm switching things around. I've been vocal that I'm a video game dev. I've always tried to keep my personal life and professional life separate as much as possible, with the exception of the occasional extra live stream. But after what is soon to be 3 years of instability in my professional life, a lonely Christmas, and no guarantees coming the other side of the new year, I figured I might as well switch things up. This Christmas I'll be making a video game from scratch in the next 48 hours. I'm gonna make a Brickbreaker. I know, not the most difficult game to make. But since I have a complete lack of portfolio, other than saying I work on certain games, I figured this would be a good way to illustrate some of my skills. I have plenty of features planned out. I hopefully am able to cram most of them during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day.
I need to switch something real quick. Okay, that's not this. I want to deactivate this. Control C, come back to video player. Sorry, I thought I was ready, but apparently I'm not.
First things first, if you are someone currently hiring and is going through my portfolio, hi! Have fun skimming through it. Now that this is out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. I usually do gaming stuff on these channels. Yes, this is multi-streamed. Speedrunning, video essays, tutorials, etc. This time, I'm switching things around. I've been vocal that I'm a video game dev. I've always tried to keep my personal life and professional life separate as much as possible, with the exception of the occasional extra live stream. But after what is soon to be 3 years of instability in my professional life, a lonely Christmas, and no guarantees coming the other side of the new year, I figured I might as well switch things up. This Christmas I'll be making a video game from scratch in the next 48 hours. I'm gonna make a Brickbreaker. I know, not the most difficult game to make. But since I have a complete lack of portfolio, other than saying I work on certain games, I figured this would be a good way to illustrate some of my skills. I have plenty of features planned out. I hopefully am able to cram most of them during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day. First things first, if you are someone currently hiring and is going through my portfolio, hi! Have fun skimming through it. Now that this is out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. I usually do gaming stuff on these channels. Yes, this is multi-streamed. Speedrunning, video essays, tutorials, etc. This time, I'm switching things around. I've been vocal that I'm a video game dev. I've always tried to keep my personal life and professional life separate as much as possible, with the exception of the occasional extra live stream. But after what is soon to be 3 years of instability in my professional life, a lonely Christmas, and no guarantees coming the other side of the new year, I figured I might as well switch things up. This Christmas, I'll be making a video game from scratch in the next 48 hours. I'm gonna make a Brickbreaker. I know, not the most difficult game to make. But since I have a complete lack of portfolio, other than saying I work on certain games, I figured this would be a good way to illustrate some of my skills. I have plenty of features planned out. I hopefully am able to cram most of them during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day. First things first, if you are someone currently hiring and is going through my portfolio, hi! Have fun skimming through it! Now that this is out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. I usually do gaming stuff on these channels. Yes, this is multi-streamed. Speedrunning, video essays, tutorials, etc. This time, I'm switching things around. I've been vocal that I'm a video game dev. I've always tried to keep my personal life and professional life separate as much as possible, with the exception of the occasional extra live stream. But after what is soon to be 3 years of instability in my professional life, a lonely Christmas, and no guarantees coming the other side of the new year, I figured I might as well switch things up. This Christmas, I'll be making a video game from scratch in the next 48 hours. I'm gonna make a Brickbreaker. I know, not the most difficult game to make. But since I have a complete lack of portfolio, other than saying I work on certain games, I figured this would be a good way to illustrate some of my skills. I have plenty of features planned out. I hopefully am able to cram most of them during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day. First things first, if you are someone currently hiring and is going through my portfolio, hi! Have fun skimming through it! Now that this is out of the way, let's address the elephant in the room. I usually do gaming stuff on these channels. Yes, this is multi-streamed. Speedrunning, video essays, tutorials, etc. This time, I'm switching things around. I've been vocal that I'm a video game dev. I've always tried to keep my personal life and professional life separate as much as possible, with the exception of the occasional extra live stream. But after what is soon to be 3 years of instability in my professional life, a lonely Christmas, and no guarantees coming the other side of the new year, I figured I might as well switch things up. This Christmas, I'll be making a video game from scratch in the next 48 hours. I'm gonna make a Brickbreaker. I know, not the most difficult game to make. But since I have a complete lack of portfolio, other than saying I work on certain games, I figured this would be a good way to illustrate some of my skills. I have plenty of features planned out. I hopefully am able to cram most of them during the 48 hours. All of this will be available through GitHub, available on demand during the stream, or through my Discord. If you have time between two turkey legs to say hello, you'll make my day.
Okay, that's enough of that, I guess. Gosh. Let's close that out. Webcam's not working either. That's fun. Nothing's working right on the first time, huh? There you go. That's much better. Okay, so hi Void, how you doing? I wanted to play that while I work. Should be back soon. That's way too loud. There you go. Okay, so yeah, the plan today is to make a Brickbreaker, or at least the basis of one. Tomorrow will be mostly the refinement. So, start by a 2D object, a sprite, and I want a circle, which will be our ball. Set this up because I did not. Not this. Create folder. Scripts. Prefabs. Scriptable objects. Textures. Materials. Do I need something else? Probably. For now, it'll do. Folder. Layer elements, I guess. I'll create the script for now and then I'll work backwards. And the chat on my screen should be on the left side. Sorry, you don't see anything I'm doing right here. I should have something to disable my camera real quick. Give me a sec. OBS. Where is it? In the studio. I'm blind. There you go. This way I can do this and you can see what I'm doing underneath. Perfect. So yeah, I'm currently only setting up the scene. So nothing too fancy for now. Create C# script. Ball. I should probably have a few managers, but for now I just want a ball that bounces around. So let's start by this. Should probably lower the sound of the music for you, I guess. So yeah, I have a ball. Let's boot up Visual Studio. And while this boots up, and this is gonna go on my second screen, just so you know why I don't see it ever anymore. Kind of wish I could see chat at the same time. I guess I could too. I can do this for now. Okay. So yeah, before I keep going, I'm gonna add a component. It's gonna be a rigid body. I should add a rigid body 2D instead, because everything is gonna be in 2D, of course. Ball's too big. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 will do. Probably even smaller. Gravity scale 0. Rigid body. I want a collider. Circle collider 2D. Why? Oh, I'm in game. Yeah, that's why. It's good enough. Mass is fine. That's gonna have to be messed around later. For now, it's gonna be everything. Info's fine. Okay. Time to code. So. We'll want to get the rigid body, so... do I want to serialize this? I don't think so. Private rigid body 2D RB. It's private. Let's take T underscore. On start, I want RB to get component is from this object, I think, right? Yeah. So, and I also want to rb dot add force, and I want to yeah, actually I want an original push. Oh, that's cool. From Twitch already? Nice. And there you go. Can I scrum this from the chat now? Oh, I can't. That is so bad. Can I do this then? Guess I can. Can I go back to left? Yeah. Should enable the camera. Forgot about this. Okay. So, back to work. Okay, so I want a, yes please, a serialized field, and I want actually private-ish, it's a vector 2, but do I really want to make it a vector 2? Yeah, sure, whatever. We're starting anyway, so. That vector 2 is initial velocity. Add force, initial velocity. So this should make the ball go a certain direction once I assign my script. So I'll push it towards the top at 1. If I press play, oops, sorry, I forgot to switch the camera. Yeah, so it moves very slowly to the top. It's way too slow. So let's put the initial velocity at 10 instead. Play. This needs to go over here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it's still a bit slow though. I feel like 100 will be way too much. Okay. So that's step 1. Now time to add walls. So let's add a square. Y 0.2. Scale, let's put it 10. Add a collider. It's fine. I don't want it to be a trigger. Everything like physics related, it always takes me like ages because I play with that like once every like 3 years. Okay, so I'll also need something to make it bounce. Can I just... is there a coefficient of restitution straight here? That would be nice. Sorry, I'm still a bit paranoid. Yeah, no, everything's fine. Good, good, good. Sorry. Okay. I'll try something. Create C# script wall. Lower wall. from the border wall. Basically just want the... Oh, sorry. I basically just want on collision enter? Will that do it? I'll just debug.log collided, I guess. I just heard that one. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Oh, I didn't put it on the... I didn't put it on here. So border wall is gonna be above here. Pretty sure I'll need something else. Oh yeah, it did. Sweet. Okay. So I'll need the current speed. So no, not private. I need that to be public. Public. That's gonna be an accessor basically. So public vector 2. I want to call it vector momentum or something. No, I need a more significant name. Yeah, let's call it momentum, whatever. So this is going to be a get only return. I want the rigid body. I can't type velocity? Yeah, I guess so. Because we just added force, yeah. And from the border wall, I want the collision. So collision.gameObject. I just heard that one too. Damn. Collision.get component. No, .gameObject. Yeah. .gameObject.get component. Ball. And if var ball is not null, then that means that we got something, and I'm just gonna debug.log the velocity, and we're gonna do ball. I can't see. Wait. Oh, it's momentum. I renamed it. I'm dumb. There you go. So this should return the momentum of the ball once it collides. Yeah. 0. So that's... it collides and then stops first. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Dude, it's 3 times now? I need to filter this. I mean, I could have a trigger underneath or something. Everything, force send layers. I could do nothing here. Could do nothing here, and then in the code just redirect the ball ASAP. If I do bounce, with the direction of the normal. So once we get the ball, it might bounce a bit late though, I don't know. And this is not gonna be on collision, it's gonna be on trigger enter 2D now. Yeah. So on trigger enter 2D. It's not great though, I don't like it. What? This message is be collider 2D. Oh, okay. So this is a collider 2D. Yeah, it's still alright. Okay, good. Collider 2D and collision, whatever. So get component ball, everything should be fine. And this is gonna be called ball. I'm missing chat again. Ball the bounce. Still the same music again, my bad. I guess I should just randomize it. There. So bounce with the normal. That means I need to direct. I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong for sure. Let's just go back to left here and bouncing ball unity 2D. Dude, I can't type, I swear. Physics 2D material. Material? Oh, really? Wow. Oh, that's something I did not know. Sweet. So create material, bouncy ball. Wait. That doesn't work. Bounce. I don't see anything. That's AG, yeah. Wait, where is it? Add component. Okay, just physics 2D. Yeah, circle collider, that's fine, I know. Rigid body, that I did. Physics 2D material? What? Really? I didn't see that.
Physics 2D material. Huh. That is new for me. So, bounciness, that's 1. So if I go back to my ball, I should be able to put that material in the rigid body, right? Okay, so if I press play, go back, right? It went through because I deactivated the rigid body. I put it in the trigger instead. So now this should be fine, right? Perfect. So that's one thing done. We have a ball. That's a miracle. So we have a ball. So top wall. Missed the P. Top wall. Let's rotate it. And Control C, Control V, V, V. There you go. This here. Four dot 9 and 4.45, I guess. No, 4.4. It's too high. That's good. Four dot 9. 4.0. This is going to go back to 0, so it's bang on the middle. So with that, I'm going to Control C, Control V. And then take that and put that at the bottom. Am I still on the right screen? Yes, I am. So I don't want a bottom plane anyway. So this is going to be a trigger. So this we're going to recall death plane. So this is going to be a trigger, and I want to go back to this and create a C# script for the death plane. So with the death plane, we want basically the same thing we had with border wall here. So in the end, I didn't want this at all. The border wall script is useless, so I'm gonna need to revamp that and remove it actually. So let's, yeah, save this. And I deleted everything too quick because now I need to redo the collider 2D stuff. So basically var death plane is gonna be the collision get component death plane. Perfect. So if death plane is not null, I want the ball. I'm gonna need a to do here to remove a life. and then I want to restart the ball tied to the paddle that doesn't exist. So to do reset the ball tied to the paddle. So once this is done, as I said, I don't want the script border wall, and then the top wall, sorry, left, and the top wall, I don't want this script. Remove component, same thing here, remove component, and same thing here. Remove component. I should also rename this to left wall and right wall. Fifth plane at the bottom. This I should make a prefab for the ball. I'm noticing that I have why is my status on Discord not saying online? Like streaming. That is weird. Does it deactivate it? That is super weird. Wait, sorry. Why am I not, like, streaming? Yeah, my profile has everything linked up. Like, why am I not streaming on Discord? The heck? That is so dumb. And you see this, right? Yeah, you do. That's unfortunate. Huh. Is it now a feature of like Nitro or something? That would be dumb. Well, time to debug it again. Discord not showing streaming status. Okay. That is... That doesn't work either. That's from 4 years ago. Okay. So I guess I did not link my... I guess I'm gonna switch to hide for a second. Need more particle effect, thanks Rohan. Right now I just don't understand why my Discord status is not updating. I'm trying to figure this out. Connection... Is Discord disconnected or something? Like, why is that? That bothers me a lot because I kind of want to... Yeah, it's on. That's the thing. It is on. I'm really, really confused. Problems with connectivity. Yeah, probably. I guess I'm gonna disconnect Twitch. Just Twitch from Discord and re-enable it. My account... profiles? No, it's not profiles. Where is it? Connections, right? No. Sorry, it's the most boring stream right now. I just want this to work real bad. My account? No? Connections, maybe? Yeah, connections, okay. So... This account has been revoked. What? There it is. Otherwise. So this is connected now. So now I need to turn this back on. So... Streamer mode. Active. Yeah, there it is. Oh my god, that's dumb. Found it. Okay, I'm coming back. Dashboard. Stream manager. Sweet, okay. So, back to left. Just show... I just started streaming, right, Rohan? So, right now, all I have is a bottle that bounces. And it's not very fast, but it does bounce. And then it touches the kill plane and doesn't do anything because I didn't put the script on and I'm dumb. So, is trigger add death plane? Yeah, we do bounce in. So yeah, bounce here, then go back down, and whoops, collided. And that collided is just like the kill plane not doing anything yet. And ball is going way too slow. I'm at 500 right now. I'm kind of freaking out. And let's put like 100 or something. There you go. Okay. 500 might be a bit much though. Let's say 3. Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go. Let's do 3, 3, just so I can test at least one of the walls. There you go. Perfect. No, I will not spend time to make it hit the perfect corner. No. Just making sure it says making a Brickbreaker. Yeah, perfect. Okay, sweet. So we have this done. Now, just a little but time. No, it's all good, Rohan. Oh wow, this sheep chat is weird. Does that? Yes, it does. Okay, sweet. So yeah, no, it's all good. Anyway, I want the basics of the Brickbreaker done. Right now, I'm just messing around. Death plane. I said death plane. I said death plane. So I need to keep going for death plane. So death plane. I need to reset to the paddle. For now, I'm just gonna reset it to the start. So private position. Not the mid position, just position. Please. It's not a Victor. Yeah, it's a Victor 3. I'm dumb. Right? I'm just making sure. Transform that position. That's a Victor 3. Yeah, okay, good. So I'm going to initial POS position, and I want the initial position to be transform the position, so this way I don't need to bounce anymore. And I need something that this doesn't have private. Public void reset position, and then I want to put the transform the position in this position, and that I want. No, that's not that plane. That's ball. I'm dumb. So that plane ball dot reset. You Visual Studio, it does what it needs to be done with, right? Now it's just going to get stuck in a reset. Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, I could do... Yeah, I could probably do... the reset the velocity too, so... There. The only thing that I don't like is that I only have 2 screens, right? So I can't have like chat on the third one or something. I'd love to, but yeah. Never enough screens, right? And this is where I should take my... There. I took notes because I didn't want to, like... Yeah, I took notes. So, I did want to have some sort of a plan at the start. So, this is gonna be a base brick. So, with the base brick... Oh, by the way, Rohan, is the music versus voice, like, nice? Or is it like way skewed or something? So with base brick. Sounds good. Perfect. Okay. Just wasn't sure. I'm like gauging off the balance, but yeah. Okay, so I need for the base brick an elf value. Should I make... That's gonna be... is it gonna be public? I could make it public so a game designer sets it in an editor. Yeah, because also, one thing I wanted to do is that... Like, you know Peggle, Rohan, right? Like, I want to have a way to design, like, curved bricks and such. Just like in Peggle. Just so it's not like a vanilla Brickbreaker. So that's going to be private anyway. It's going to be an int. It's going to be health. And default value is going to be, I don't know, 1. Yeah, so I also want to have a way to design levels into Microsoft Excel, right? So at some point, probably tomorrow, I imagine, depending on my mood, I'm either gonna do like a CSV parser and everything for like designing levels into Excel, or I'm gonna... Not exactly gravity. That's the thing. Because with the ball, if I go back to the left screen, with the ball, you just have to give it a physics material. So I said the bounciness is 1, the friction is 0.4, whatever, and go with that. If I want to be able to like curve around the bricks, yeah, I might have to play with friction and everything, but yeah, like, shouldn't be an issue. I don't think so, at least. And the color, it doesn't need to be... Oh, actually. Huh. Yeah, I need a brick manager. Wow. I need a brick manager. Because I wanted to determine the color of the bricks depending on their health. But I don't want to assign that scale to every single brick. So I'm gonna need a brick manager to go fetch that. Wow, okay. I wasn't expecting that. So this is not needed. Yeah, because that color thing is gonna go from the brick manager. So give me a second. I'm gonna switch screen anyway. Script, create folder manager. In here, create C# script, brick manager, and in the brick manager, I want a scale of color. Actually, I don't need a brick. I need a start color and an end color, basically. So serialize field, private start color, and serialize field, private color and color. Perfect. And also Visual Studio, I don't know, like the latest version with Copilot, I'm kind of starting to like it. Like I'm barely typing anything. It goes so quick. So this... And actually... Yeah, so I need a public color get
I need to get color, right? In function of the health. Yeah, so int health. But I will also need something to init the level. Public void level initialization. Why do I need this? Because I need the max health. I need max health of the level. This way I can scale properly between the start and the end color. So here I'll have a private int max health. And that is gonna be assigned here. And color and start color needs to be private also. So max health is equal to max health. Also, I'm not sure if I... Yeah, I know. I'm not sure if I answered your question properly, Ron, but I'll assume I did. So get color in function of health. So... how do I do this? Through the RGB, I guess? Isn't there like some sort of... yeah, what's the name of that function? Ah, there's a word that... I don't remember. Is it straight into color for fun? Lerp, there you go. Sweet. So color A is start color, end color, and health. Lerp is a float, so health over max health. And that's gonna return that color. Perfect. It's been a while since I used the lerp. Yeah. Okay, so base brick. So start. Yes, so start in function of the health. So I need to get the... oh no, I don't want to get the manager, actually. No, I don't want to get the manager. Do I? I wasn't expecting the manager to talk to the bricks like this. That's something I just realized. Give me a second. I did something similar recently. Structure manager. So the brick is gonna get the message that it got collided first anyway, right? So once it collides with it, I want to change the health. But in order to change the health and the color, I need to go back to the brick manager. Is there a way for all the bricks to know? Yeah, they're gonna be placed by the brick manager at the start of the level anyway. Right? Sorry, I'm already thinking about like optimization and stuff. Yeah, I don't think it's that bad anyway. Like it's at the start of the level. I just really don't like the fact that everything is linked back over there and not this way.
Like, the parent should be able to communicate to the child, but not the other way around. And I say parent, I know it's not a hierarchy, but whatever, it kind of is. No, it's fine. I was just thinking about, like, we have a brick and a brick manager. The brick manager knows the color that the bricks are gonna be in function of, like, how many health they have, right? So how do I don't ask this way instead of this way, you know? Like, I should... Like, every single brick shouldn't be, like, questioning the brick manager. The brick manager should give the info at the start. I could give the color, I guess, but that's not great. I don't know. I think I'll just, like... I'll just do this. Whatever. Not serialized field. It's fine. Get... component in scene, I think. No. Reinstantiate the brick. I mean, I also have the colors, but as I said, the colors I could just pass down to the base brick. It's not great in my opinion. Wait, actually, it gives us more flexibility, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. So Brick Manager is gonna pass down the start color to each and every brick. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Thanks, Johan. Rohan, my god. Like, sometimes you just get, like, wrapped in stupid thinking. So this get color, I can control X, put this here instead. Yeah, exactly. I just don't like having like all the colors in every single brick because you end up asking for more memory, but it's a freaking color. Like, it's 256 times 3, right? It's nothing. And anyway, I need to remember that it's basically trading memory versus... it's one memory versus a pointer. Like, it's... yeah, whatever. Okay. So start color and color... Actually, no, I can't do that. Can I? Yeah, exactly. I'm just thinking about... I need to pass down the max health of a brick too, so I can scale properly. So I need a max health of brick too. So place bricks. For now I'll just place one, I don't need to. So at the start also. Just so I have that. Private void start. Get. What is the? No, it's find. Yeah. Find objects. Object of type. Base. Brick. So this will give me a list of bricks. And for each var bricks and bricks, I'll do brick dot. I need an init now. Yo, Alex. If you pass on the color array, then just instantiate each brick with color, then the elf can just be its index of the color array. Yeah, but I don't have a color array, and I don't really want it either. Like, I want it to be a scale, right? So you have color A and color B, and you just like go through all the colors. That's why I was doing a lerp, because a lerp is a percentage of color A to color B. So if I say I'm at like 2 health and the max health of a brick in the grid is 8, so I'm at 1/4 of that scale. So if it's blue to red, it's gonna be like red being the hardest and blue being the lowest health. It's gonna be like purple-ish, but like very blue and a bit purple, right? Yeah, that's why I was doing the lerp. Hi. Yeah. It's fun to see everything like on Twitch, but I'm wondering if my YouTube chat is working now. Or if it broke. I'm just gonna check real quick. Test. Is it coming out? Come on. It's not. Okay. Or is it working on stream but not in... Yeah, it is. Okay, wow, that took a long time. Thank you, YouTube. Yeah, it took like ages. YouTube delay, you say? Okay, so base brick, I need an init. Private void. No, not private. Public. Public. Public void init. Oh my god, I forgot. Init. There you go. So in the init, I want the color start color. I want the color end color, and I want the int max health. This is the public void in it. Yeah, mate. So start color, and I don't want the underscore here. Max health of brick, max health. Okay, Rohan, have a good day, man. So max health of brick. Okay, so for each brick in the scene, I want to init with start color and color. Max health. Ouais. Travaillais-tu aujourd'hui, Alex? Je te parlerai pas trop non plus, mais... See ya, Wohan. Ok. C'est bon. Je te dérangerai pas trop d'abord.
Hopefully, de toute façon, faut que je m'immerse dans le code. Faut que je me noie. Non. Maxwell, brick. All good. Okay, on collision, enter 2D. Var ball collision game object dot get component ball. Ball is not null. So it's okay. Health minus yeah, health minus P refresh color. Dus prefer private void refresh color. I need the color of the brick here. What? It's in the texture, right? So if I go to top wall, it's in the sprite renderer. Okay, so I need the sprite renderer of the brick. So in the sprite renderer, so I need a serialized field. I don't need to have that serialized actually. Start color, max alpha brick. Level info. That means I also need to... Huh. I need to go through every brick to find the max health of the bricks. That's annoying. That's very annoying. Huh. Brick.health. That should be public actually. Comment je fais pour aller chercher? Comment je fais pour aller chercher toutes les vies sans passer au travers de toutes les briques encore? Oh. Je pense qu'il faut que je passe au travers de tout puis qu'après ça je sorte. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have a choice. Oh well. So private int fetch highest health. So I need this basically again. I want the... that's a list, right? Oh, that's an array. Okay.
which is impossible, so if max health, let's get brick health, max health equal brick health. I hate this, there has to be a better way. Health, so fetch health, bricks. I don't want this here, I want this above. Yes, health. Hate this. Whatever. Okay, so now we have a base brick, I have its health. I don't need the rigid body. When it enters a collision, I can then refresh the color. Refresh color is going to be the get color with the health, and that health. Actually, I don't need a function for this now that it's here. So I can just do color lerp new color. New color, yeah. Var new color instead. And from the refresh color, as I was saying, I need the sprite renderer. So serialize field, private sprite render. Let's call it SR, I don't care. So with the sprite renderer, I can then SR dot there you go, that's all I wanted. So this will assign the new color to the brick. The brick will then change color on the fly, and here if health lower on or equal to 0, then it will destroy it, else you refresh the color. Destroy game object. Perfect. So we have the script for one brick and the brick manager that's going to assign the colors and everything. Okay, sweet. So time to go back into Unity. So I need a empty brick manager. The brick manager will have the brick manager script. It's going to be in the center of the scene. I need also an empty managers just to start color is going to be red, blue. I meant blue, and the end color is going to be red. Alpha 255. I need to remember this. Perfect. So the brick manager is going to start. It's going to go through all the bricks placed in the scene. So now I can create an empty bricks. That's going to be another group that the brick manager should actually know. So let's go back to the right side. Brick manager, I want a serialized field above. And I want it to be private game object bricks handler. Then go back to left one. So the brick manager has its brick. Actually, that shouldn't be a game object, it should be a transform. Ah, perfect. Kept it.
Awesome. So now we have the bricks. It's going to be at 0, 0, 0. So now I want to do a new 2D object. I'm gonna put a square brick. Position is gonna be like somewhere over here because I know it touches this. So let's say 4 and 3.5. Scale it down. And I need a brick script, base brick. Eventually I'll add stuff, but for now it's good enough. Add sprite renderer. Actually, I should assign it myself. Whoops. Right side. Don't have the start here, so start. So, oh yeah, the sprite renderer, SR sprite renderer, exactly. So I don't really need this, but for now it's just to make sure that it assigns it properly. So that's going to be in brick. So in theory, everything should go. Oh, I didn't put the collider on it. What's collider? That should be fine. It doesn't switch color either, though. Oh, actually, yeah. Refresh color. Yep, there you go. So this should work. It broke, but divide by 0. What? Oh, sorry, I didn't show. Max health of brick. My brick has... Let's put it to 5 health. Sorry, you don't see this one, it's fine. Huh. I'm gonna put a breakpoint here. And start again. And come back. Okay, so I guess the brick manager didn't start first, huh? So if I do an F5 here, that's... Yeah, so brick manager went second. That's why. Okay. So I guess I need to put the managers at the front. So if I run this again, everything should be fine now. No, it's not. It's still trying to divide by 0. Why is it trying to divide by 0? The brick manager is starting too late. Oh, actually no. I know what this is. This should be here. Okay, my bad. So the refresh color was in start. And nothing needs to be in start other than the sprite renderer. So it's gonna init. Now it's gonna have the values and everything should be fine. I think. If the brick manager goes through everything, of course. So I'm gonna attach again. I'm gonna start. No need to switch the screen because I want to see what's going on over here. So yeah, bricks, F10. I have 1 brick. Perfect. So I'm gonna init this, set the start color, the end color, max health of the bricks, which is not supposed to be 0. It's supposed to be 5. Wait. Highest health is 5. Oh, it goes max health. Oh, that's the kind of stupid mistakes that you do. So I don't want any max health here anymore. I just want highest health. There you go. Now it should work. Back to Unity. Level initialization. Oh, actually I do need the max health. So I want max health. Sorry. You're not missing much. So now the brick should change color to a deep red. Yeah, there you go. Red. Then goes out, then blue. Why is it not updating and only switch to blue? I'm gonna put a breakpoint here. F10, the new color is red. Perfect. Collides once. Four out of 5, it should be 20. Should be 80 actually. Is it the wrong lerp? Oh, because that's 2 ints. That's not a float. Oh, that's why. Okay. This should work now. Okay. Yeah, I don't need the breakpoint anymore. Yeah, there we go. So that went red. Purple, purple, blue, and there you go. Sweet. I don't know why the ball curves like this though, and that is puzzling me a bit. Oh, is it the friction? Yeah, I think it's friction related. Put it at 0, just to see. Why does it respawn with like negative? What? Wait, what? Ball. Reset. Is it because this... No, this is a trigger. That's fine. Why does it start back to full vertical? What the? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
Oh, because I added force. Oh, I don't want to add force. I want to start when I reset. Yeah, okay. That's why. Yeah, so this should do it. Okay. Sorry. What? God, I love playing around physics stuff. Like what? No, 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 no. Fuck happened to my ball? Okay, I think I found what was the issue now. Yeah, there we go. Now it looks like something. Don't want any angular drag, so... Three might be a bit slow, but now... Yeah, there we go. Okay. Maths are mathing now. Now it does always the same thing, but it didn't used to. Like, that wasn't the same thing. I guess it depends on the speed of the ball and when the wall detects, like, the collision and such. Yeah, it's fine. Whatever. It's fine. Bon. Qu'est-ce que tu m'as envoyé, Alex? Bon écran. Yep, 10 out of 10. Yep. 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 Oh man. 10 out of 10. Oh yeah. Oh, c'est bon, là. Bon. Je suis pas mal rendu au point où est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse suivre la paddle à ma souris. Là, j'ai des briques. Je peux en mettre une chier, là. Je pense que c'est ça que je devrais faire en prochain. Éventuellement, je vais leur mettre des textures aussi, là. C'est placé à la main, tout croche, mais c'est pas grave, ils sont placés. Ensuite, on veut le curseur. Unity game object following cursor on X. Yeah. Input mouse position. That's what I need. Okay. Yeah, I need music now. So I want the X only, right? Just making sure. Yeah, I want the X only. Okay, good. So actually, I'm gonna make the paddle first. 2D sprite capsule. color it? I don't know. I need to color it properly anyway, so let's put it magenta. That's not the collider I want. Size. I want the round corner to be different. Can I do a 2D? Component. Actually, let's try it this way first. See where the ball... Oh, nope. That... capsule. I don't want it to have any gravity scale. So it doesn't bounce on it yet. Why doesn't bounce on it? Problem is that I don't think I see. Yeah, it just goes through. And yeah, the ball I think needs a square hitbox. Otherwise it's gonna... there's a chance it's gonna bounce vertically. Oh, that's bad. I don't really want to put a horizontal, like a pole. I could put a gravity on it though. It's just that at some point it's going to stop anyway and go through everything, and I don't want that. It feels bad to put a square collider on it though. And now it hits like the corner. Why does it do that? Like, I don't understand why it stops. Like, why does it do that? Like, the auto mask is not going to change anything. Like, the problem is not the mask, the problem is that it collides weirdly. Like, I'm sure if I put the speed at like 8, it's going to be like a different result. No, it's not, and that's not normal. It was like 0.05 or something. Like, why does it stop dead after a collision? Like, it should keep going in the same direction. Oh, I'm dumb. The bouncy ball. Yeah, I put friction at 0. At 1. So it stops dead every time. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Now it looks like a Brickbreaker. Yeah, good. Good. I'm dumb. Physics, man. Okay, so now this is another problem. Composite collider, why doesn't it... Okay, so I'm gonna put a polygon collider then. Yeah, that looks better. Sweet. So now so yeah, it hit the side, so that's what I wanted to do anyway. Yeah, so now it does this because it's positioned this way. So if I just slide it slightly to the left, it's gonna have more of an angle. There you go. That's much better now. Actually looks like something. Oh, that wasn't normal. I guess it's a weird bounce on the collider. So collider has something weird going on here. Yeah. Gonna check a bit still. I just want to see if it's gonna do the same thing with the weird collision, like that went from the right and went back, went from the left and went back to the left right after. Oh, that's good. Okay, perfect. Good. Looks like something. Okay, so now it's time to put the playable elements. Okay, so mouse position X. So that's a paddle. Mouse position X. So var. I need to cap it, but for now I'm just gonna put it raw. I don't need the var actually. I can just do transform dot position dot x. It's not gonna let me, huh? Yeah, because it's not a variable. Can I do set position? I just want the position, I don't want the rotation too. So I want this as the new position. I want the transform dot position dot y, and I want the transform dot position dot z. There you go. So this on the paddle with the paddle script should give me control of it, right? Nope. Why doesn't it do it? Why doesn't it do it? Put that mouse position that should give it to me. Debug.log mouse position. Sorry, I'm testing stuff and not switching my scene. So yes, that works. Then why doesn't it set it? Of an existing Victory 3. Oh. That's not Unity stuff. So yeah, I guess I should do instead position equal new vector 3 or something instead. Now it broke. Where the frick is the paddle? It's at 600. Yeah, it actually makes sense. Yeah. I need to... I need to interpret the input. Yeah, that. Screen to world point. Yeah, that's it. So I need a camera. If I need a camera, I should have a player. Some sort of manager, I guess. Yeah, that feeds this to the paddle. Yeah. Because it depends on the camera. Yeah. That's a bit harder. Like, I'm saying it's a bit harder. I mean, I can just take the camera and straight up link it to the paddle. It's just not pretty. Like, the paddle shouldn't know the camera. C# script. Paddle manager? Yeah, sure. I know it's not great, but I was thinking about putting 2 paddles anyway, so yeah, whatever. So paddle. I want this to be serialized. Private camera. Main camera. So from here, I can have the function I was talking about, this. So, not like that. Public, vector 3. Position in scene. Input the mouse position. So this I want to return that. Okay, so now this goes back there. That's fine. So now I want an update paddle position. That needs to be public because the paddle manager has serialized field. Private paddle. So on each update, I want the paddle to update paddle position in the mouse position in scene. And yet this doesn't take a vector 3, so now I want a vector 3. That is the mouse position. The mouse position is going to be this. I only want the X, So that should be fine. So now I need to create a new empty element, the paddle manager. And the paddle manager has the paddle manager script, which has the camera and the paddle. Yes, there you go. Oh, I missed it. I guess a kill plane might be a bit too close. Yeah, the kill plane is too close. Death plane. Really? Yes. Now it looks like something. Come on. It's harder than... There you go. Okay, so this never needs to happen. Like, it can't happen. Because it's gonna take ages to go back down. So I need to have a function that checks that. So on ball. So I'll have an update. Private void update. So this is gonna check the velocity. The vertical velocity. So rigid body dot velocity dot y. Yes. So if the y velocity is lower than a value that I'll determine here, private float minimum vertical velocity is smaller than minimal. That needs to be a private field. If this is smaller than minimum vertical velocity, then the rigid body velocity y is going to equal to the minimum vertical velocity. And now you don't want to assign it because, yeah, it's not a variable. Okay, so can I do new vector 2 with the rigid body dot velocity dot x. Sometimes I hate Unity. I get it, but I hate it sometimes still. Wait, I didn't. Ball. The minimum vertical velocity is going to be... Let's put it at the absurdly huge number. Just to make sure that it actually works. Oh, yeah, I need an absolute. Uh, whoops, I didn't switch the camera, you didn't see this. I'll actually show it because that was funny. So, yeah, I didn't put an absolute, so the ball is just constantly trying to go upwards. Whoops. So, the math.abs forget to include. Yeah, I forgot to include. Okay. I rather put include system math. Using system math. Just system, I guess. So this way I can do math ABS. If it is smaller than the minimum vertical velocity, it's gonna go back to... I want the sign. Can I? Dot. Sign? Just gonna return this. Wait, math sign. Let's go check. C#. Okay, yes, 1 or minus 1, so you multiply that by this. Perfect. So I want the sign of this. So once I have the sign of that, I want to multiply this by the sign. And 0.7 was way less than I thought. So let's put 10. That's gonna be way too much. Let's put 3. Yeah, it never goes like... Oh, okay. That's not that bad actually for 3. I thought it would be worse. Yeah, 3 is fine. That was probably the max. Yeah, 3 is fine. That was a weird bounce on the paddle. Okay, good. Kind of surprised, like I got most of the base of the game done already. Wasn't expecting that. Like, I knew that a Brickbreaker was pretty quick to do, but like that quick? Wasn't expecting that one bit. So now I guess I need to add the unbreakable bricks and such. Huh. That went way quicker than I thought. Like, way quicker. How long has it been? Oh, I didn't show what I was doing. Oh, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna... That's pretty fun, actually, now. I already have something decent. There's a bit of funkiness with the paddle, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's not great for sure, but... And also there's a bit of reprogramming the velocity when the ball hits the paddle. Because usually when you hit the left side of the paddle, like, that's it. Like, the ball goes left. That's it. Like, there's no flap. Like, you're going up. Like, right now it just stops and then goes back. Also, I thought that I had to program this. Like, the ball is going faster and faster the more it hits. But apparently it does it automatically, which I wasn't expecting. Or maybe it's because I was hitting it twice with the paddle or something. Might be. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Because that's in the things that I want to do to add... Like, that hit was weird. But yeah, anyway, that shouldn't happen. I want, like, the ball to speed up the more it's in play. Anyway. Dude, you can just... Yeah. Just losing myself in the game. Okay, so now we have this. I kind of want to do the metal bricks now. So let's do the metal bricks. Also, this should be a prefab. And the ball, I need to assign everything. Apply all. Oh, actually, since we have already something, I should open source tree. Not this, not this. There you go. Base game. So yeah, GitHub updated now. Just want to make sure it is really updated. Base game, perfect. Wow, the link isn't... the link for YouTube isn't right. However. Okay. Yeah, let's do the metal bricks. Sorry, I'm freezing every now and then. There. There you go. So now I need a new... Need something with health -1. So I could do a metal brick, like a custom prefab. Or I could... No, I can't have that. So yeah, I need a custom prefab. Okay. So that means a custom script. Create folder bricks. Base brick. Create C# script. Metal brick. So the middle brick has no health. Sorry. Right side. So this needs to be a child of base brick. So from base brick, I'm gonna need to override a ton of stuff. So I guess I should probably go back to base brick. This one. And have a here. So health is going to be at -1 for sure. So I need this to be a virtual class, right? Why is it not valid for this element? Because there's nothing virtual, I guess. So on collision, enter. No? Is it not virtual? Is it something else? What's the other keyword that I always forget? What is it? I always forget this. Virtual C# keyword. Name. Yeah. It's virtual that I want. Okay, so I don't need... Okay. So this... Can I do this? Yeah, I can. Okay. So why can't I do this here? Cannot be private. Okay, so can I do this then? And not break everything else? I still don't remember what is the other one. It's not static that I'm searching for right now. Abstract. There you go. Okay. Okay, so did that break anything? I don't think it will. I'm just making sure. Yeah, everything's fine. That's good. Okay, good. Oh, I forgot to switch screen. Whatever. It's fine. So metal brick. So metal brick's health is -1. I need to override. Actually, I can just put it into the start. Or I don't have to set it to -1 because I'm overriding the... Yeah. Public override on collision enter 2D. Perfect. So I don't want this. What I do want is to do nothing. Straight up nothing. Maybe actually, no. To do play cling sound. I don't think I'm gonna get there, but it's there, right? So health needs to be at -1. I'd love to do this before the brick manager actually. Because the brick manager is gonna... Oh, actually, I can set it in the inspector anyway. Yeah, I'm done. It's fine. Sprite renderer. I'm not gonna change the color, so I'm never gonna refresh the color. But this function is private. So I'm still gonna put it abstract. Oh, I can't because it's private. Actually, no, I can. Control Shift Z. I want it protected so it goes down. Right? Yeah, so now it's complaining that base brick is not abstract. Okay. It's not abstract that I want, it's virtual. Oh my god. Allô, Lou? Noyeux Joël, toi ici? Je sais, il y a un énorme délai sur YouTube. Je suis désolé. Genre, énorme délai. Ouais, Alex travaille, fait que il met en background. That's about it. Refresh color. Protected. Actually, so ça doit être protected. Oui, je sais ce qui est autre qui est énorme. Yeah, that's fine. So protected virtual override. Refresh color. Je veux pas que ça refresh. Stay gray. Ok, je vais te montrer ce que j'ai de fait. Je suis en train de faire autre chose right now, mais je suis quand même surpris. En dedans de quoi, 2 heures, je pense? C'est sûr qu'il n'y a pas de cap présentement, je peux sortir du jeu. Mais genre, tu sais, la base est là. Yep, ça a pris quoi, 2 heures, je pense? Peut-être un peu moins, un peu plus. Il y a encore une couple de petits bugs, genre la paddle que je devrais faire on collision, qu'elle retourne à un angle spécifique, parce que tu sais, comme si je la pogne comme ça, la balle. Ah, ok, là ça l'a fait. Mais tu sais, de temps en temps, ça renvoie pas la balle parfaitement comme un Brickbreaker le ferait. Là. Ça arrête comme là. Puis j'ai pas de... Le système de collision de Unity, I swear. Also, ça c'est vraiment 3 de vélocité. Ball. Ça me surprend un peu que ça soit 3. Ah oui, c'est genre 4. Insane. Parce que j'y ai mis un cap de vélocité pour que la balle fasse jamais du vertical, de l'horizontal. Mais ouais. Pour un 2 heures, je m'attendais à moins que ça, honnêtement. Là. En même temps, je savais que c'était pas dur comme jeu. Là. J'ai déjà fait aussi les briques qui changent de couleur. Je trouvais que c'était comme un must-have. Au début. Yep. Je suis content moi aussi. Fait que là, je vais retourner à coder un petit peu. Parce que là, je suis en train de faire les briques. Les briques métalliques qui brisent pas. Changera pas de couleur, fait que ça, je veux qu'il y ait un serialize field. Puis que ça soit genre private color unbreakable color. Puis en vrai, c'est pas ici que ça devrait aller. Ça devrait aller dans le brick manager. Start color, end color, unbreakable color. Yeah. That brick if brick is metal brick that init is gonna be just a color, so I don't want c'est pas it's not a shopping game, okay? I swear. Non. Bric-à-brac. Else. J'aurais dû me garder ça pour asseoir, honnêtement, là, mais c'est pas grave. Je pense que je vais prendre un break probablement de genre 5 à genre 7. 4 à 7. Ouais, 4 à 7, puis je vais recommencer à bosser là-dessus jusqu'à genre minuit. Je suis capable d'avoir genre les différents types de briques avant que je m'écœure, ça serait malade. Parce que là, j'ai quand même travaillé 3 heures genre solide en ligne. Là. C'est sûr que je jase avec tout le monde un peu, là, mais yeah. C'est que j'aime pas ça faire un public init par-dessus. Puis je veux pas donner la couleur à l'autre. Mais si je fais un override sur les inits, ça sert à rien. Public override void. Yeah. Parce que là, il va me dire... C'est ça, il n'y a pas de substitution. Fait qu'ils veulent exactement les... Public metal init. Non. Breakable color. Puis là, ici, je veux que mon rigid body va quand même être assigné à cause de ça. Non, mon sprite renderer, yeah. Donc là, avec mon sprite renderer, je suis capable de... Sprite renderer dot color? Yeah, dot color est égal à unbreakable. Et pourquoi il veut pas? Niveau de protection. Niveau de protection, il est pas protected, il est private. That's why. Yep, that's good. Right? Update. Yeah, there you go. Unbreakable. Good! Fait que là, ça... Fait qu'on va aller se faire une brique. Maintenant, avec ça... Je vais arrêter de désactiver ma caméra accidentellement à un moment donné, I swear. Bon, fait que maintenant, on a nos briques. Fait que je veux une brique métallique. Puis en vrai, ça, je devrais toutes les... Je devrais faire ça. Je devrais faire ça. Je devrais faire ça. Ça. Puis là, je peux prendre une autre brique, faire CTRL-C, CTRL-V. Metal brick. Retirer le base brick. Ajouter metal brick. Le mettre là. Health is at -1 because that's a metal brick. And the sprite renderer is itself. Puis ça, ça va devenir un nouveau préfab qui va s'appeler Metal Brick. Variant, non, un original prefab. Là, on a un Metal Brick pour le Metal Brick, puis on a un Brick pour le normal. Parfait. Puis il me manque un point virgule. Il manque effectivement un point virgule. Parce que lui, j'y ai pas donné la couleur de Unbreakable. Parce que ça, c'est pas Metal Brick. Right? Ah, Metal. Yeah, ça m'écœure un peu que l'autre y ait accès à l'init par contre. D'après moi, il faudrait que je sépare, que j'aille base brick, breakable brick, metal brick, puis l'autre. Fait qu'il va falloir que je divise base brick avec le reste. Yeah. Comme ça, base brick va être une méthode abstraite. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, faudrait que je fasse ça. Je vais faire ça tout de suite. Ça va être fait. Mais là, je vais... Excuse, je fais gauche-droite, là. My bad. Base brick, fait que genre, je vais faire un script. Breakable brick. Ça sonne tellement innocent, mais c'est ça pareil. Fait que mon brick... breakable brick. Fait que base brick. Mon base brick, ça va être une méthode virtuelle. Pas virtuelle, abstraite. Abstract class. Donc là, il va commencer à chialer partout, right? Pourquoi il chiale pas? Il devrait chialer parce qu'il devrait pas avoir d'instance nulle part. Yeah, ok, c'est ça. Il veut pas me laisser l'assigner. Parfait, c'est ça qu'il fallait. Ok, fait que là, le start, that's perfect. Init, CTRL-X, ça s'en va dans Breakable Brick. que ça devrait être base brick. Puis tout ça, ça devrait être des protected à la place. Ok. Ça, c'est le collision. Le collision de breakable brick devrait être ici. Puis le refresh color. Je peux avoir un refresh color aussi sur des briques, mais dans ce... en vrai, yeah, ça va être abstract aussi. Yeah. Fait que là, il peut pas définir de... Parfait. Donc là, ça, lui, il va me chigner que j'ai pas instancié mon refresh color. Parfait. Ça, metal brick ici. J'ai plus besoin d'override. Comme ça, mes briques d'upgrade vont être des breakable bricks quand même. C'est juste qu'ils vont avoir une fonction de plus après. Parfait. Wait. Protected void. Virtual void. Say protected, right? Yeah, protected. Base, let's start. Breakable colors, so that can be any unit. Wait, I need to control RR. So unbreakable brick, that init is there too. Currently not recognized because the brick manager brick is breakable brick. Break brick, I guess. Wow, that's one name. So yeah. Now I'm basically making a bunch of bricks, so for different utility. Yeah, now it doesn't work. It's annoying. Also paddle, I don't need that anymore. So why... Refresh color, collision enter, health minus. Oh, because none of the bricks are updated now. Yeah, that's my bad. Prefab brick. So this needs to be removed. For breakable brick. Health is 5. Sprite renderer is itself. Control S. So now all of those should be fine, right? Yep. The middle brick is fine. Okay, cool. Middle brick is overlaid right now. Whoops. So this one shouldn't break ever. And also this one is currently invisible because I'm an idiot. Breakable color. And I'm gonna put it deep gray like this. I don't know how to sacrifice my... There you go. So this is never gonna break. Wait, Deathplane is missing? No. What is this? New component. Oh, this is the old... yeah, my bad. Yep. Actually, I forgot. Does it? Oh, it doesn't show it. Sweet. I was afraid that you would see my discussion. My Discord. Nice. That's sweet. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so now I have unbreakable bricks. I have breakable bricks. Now I could make immediately a power-up brick. But to make a power-up brick, it would also mean that I have a power-up drop. And that needs collectibles. And I don't know, but I kind of want to do visuals right now. So I'm gonna push this. Metal brick. Sorry. Pushing this. So now this is done. Shadow of you, I don't know how to sacrifice my life. Story to tell, gotta make you see heaven of this hell. Ok, so ça c'est fait. Faire un peu de jeu. That's brilliant. Nice. I needed that not. Which size? Let's put it third. Yeah, 3. Just 3. Image size 30 by 30. Let's start at 100 actually. Brush. Oh, background. Comme ça. Control. 0. Then underneath I want XD. That's a good marble. PNG. There you go. So if I go back into the game, I can take the ball, take the sprite, and go to marble. There you go. Perfect. That's a marble. Don't care. Image size. Don't want to link those. I want something like, I don't know, 90 by 30. Yeah, that looks about right. So I need to shrink. Select, modify, shrink, contract by, yeah, about 10 actually. 10's a bit much. By 5, yeah, 5's fine. So I can then X control back space. Can put also control D, brush. Actually, this, select, expand. Expand by 4. Yeah, perfect. Control Shift E, delete. Delete on this one. Perfect. Control D. So I can go ahead and put bevel and emboss. Coming this way. 45. this. Put one in bus there too. That's perfect. Actually, I should probably control E this and control E that. Wait, why? I think this is too big, actually. Two. Ah, I hate the fact that enter screws that up. 3's fine. I want an inner shadow on this. I want like 2 or 3. That's perfect. Ah, choke was fine. That's good. Perfect, I think. Oh, you know what's missing? Yeah, I know. So type, modify, expand by 2. Type, modify, contract by 3. Oh yeah, I need to contract a bit more again. Contract by 2, then expand by 3. Yeah, that's better. Shift E. Control D. Yeah, there you go. Kind of want to. I feel like the border might be a bit large. So maybe select, modify, expand by like 2. Yeah, that should be right. Feels a bit big. Select, modify, contract by 1. Yeah, that looks fine. So, texture, PNG, brick, breakable brick. So now I can go back in game, take this brick for example, open the prefab, change this to breakable brick. Ooh. Yeah, that's better. Huh. Box collider's not right though. Size Y 0.5. Smaller even. Huh. Need this to be bigger a bit. 2 is way too much. .5 is too much. 1.3 maybe. A bit too much again. 0.2, 1.1. 1.2 might have been good. Yeah, 2. 1.2. Yeah, that looks good. Collider's good. Brick's fine. Good. Let's try to play it now. That's good. Oh no, I died. Yep, that's perfect. Now for the metal bricks. The metal bricks should be the same, right? Oh, I could add studs actually. Yeah, that should be a good idea. Actually, 3 with hardness filled. Actually, let's do this instead. Bell and boss is not great, huh? Could just put 2 actually. Yeah, I'll put 2. Let's contract by 3 pixel. Backspace. Let's put it back to white actually. Yeah. Actually, yeah, no, that's right, that's right. Color relay. Yeah, and this. Why did I color that in? Oh wow, okay. Eraser. Oh, caps lock? Yeah. Okay. Actually, this one looks bad now. Goodbye. Yeah, that's good. Alt S G. So now I should be able to go back into Unity, open the middle brick, put the size to scale, which is 1.2 and 1.2. Modify this and take the metal brick and go back, play this. Oh, forgot the size of the collider. What was the dimensions of the other one? I want everything to be exactly the same. 0.9 and 0.3. Which makes sense considering the dimensions I gave. 0.9 and 0.3. Nice, good job. My delete key is really easy to pop off, apparently. Sweet. Collision's not great. It's really not. Twice? Really? To clear like 6 bricks? There you go. Okay. So that's a bit of visuals. Now I need a paddle. And honestly, I think I'm gonna sleep on it. Because there's a lot of paddle work to be doing right now. Like actually dividing the sections of the paddle, like so the ball goes in the direction, the exact direction, depending on where you hit it. Also, yeah, I could, yeah, I'll do a bit of programming actually. So, I have a metal brick, a breakable brick, and a base brick. So now I want a power-up brick. So script bricks, create C# script. Power-up brick. So the power-up brick is a base brick, which implements the class. Refresh color is going to be the exact same as breakable brick. I'm dumb. I need the init, and the init is the exact same too. Actually, power-up brick is not a base brick, it's a breakable brick. Because it's going to take the exact same thing as for an init as that. It's just that on collision, it's going to do something different. Yeah. Well, actually, on collision, it's not going to do something different. It's going to be once it dies. So yeah, okay, so on collision is the same. It's not going to be virtual. What's going to be virtual is the protected on destruction. Protected void. Protected virtual void on destruction. And on destruction is going to destroy itself here. then why are you doing a function for this, right? Actually, I could name it destruction, but whatever, on destruction. And this one is going to do something different. So on destruction. So it's going to be a protected override void. And on destruction, you're going to, well, destroy also. So that, nope, I don't have it pasted. Whoops. You're going to destroy 2, so actually I should just do base the on destruction. But to do, drop a power up. And that power up is going to be determined by the script. So that script is going to require a serialized field that takes a private game object prefab power up, and that is gonna instantiate a prefab power up at the transform of the parent, which is transform world space, sure, I don't remember. And the parent is gonna be the root. Actually, it could be the brick. It could be this parent. Yeah, sure, whatever. So wait, quaternion rotation, so quaternion dot identity, and transform is gonna be position. So I don't have a brick right now that does this, but eventually I will. And the, wait, this is supposed to be the parent, right? So I don't want this to be the parent, I want the parent of this. Transform the parent. And then on the death plane, if the collision is with yes, there. For I could do else, I guess. Yeah, I could do else, or I could just return. I think I'm gonna do else. How can I avoid doing like 800 checks? Because if it's the ball, it's the ball. It's game over, I don't need anything. Yeah, I guess we're gonna do multiple returns. I hate it, but whatever. Var power up equal collision dot get component. Wait, I don't have the power up element yet. Actually, it's not a power up. It's a drop. It's a collectible. Yeah. Am I on the right screen? Yeah. Okay, good. This needs to be there. So I need a collectible. So now I need to do a script Actually, I'm gonna do a folder first. Collectibles. And I'm gonna create a C# script collectible. And since I have this collectible is either a power-up or it's just gonna be it's just gonna have a non-collision, right? On trigger enter, actually. On trigger enter 2D. That's gonna be protected. Is it... No, it's not. Perfect. Okay, good. Sorry, talking to myself a bit. So, once the collectible gets collided by the paddle, and the paddle... So that's what I need to check. So, var paddle collision dot get component paddle. If there is a paddle, then with that paddle you need to collect the element. So collected. So, and then collect is going to be a protected void protected, not even abstract. It's going to be, oh, what's the name again? I said I always forget. Yeah, abstract. Yeah, that's abstract. Protected abstract. Void. Collect. And now this is going to complain that... There you go. Yeah, because this is not abstract. This is going to happen on every single collectible. But collect will do something different depending on the element. Perfect. So, now that we have a collectible, I'm not going to switch screen, I'm just adding a power-up class. So yeah, I added a power-up class, which is going to be a child of collectible. Yes, I need to implement that. I agree. And this is going to be a to do effect of power up, which is probably going to get overwritten again by whatever each power up do. Or yeah, actually it's going to probably do different things. So do I need a power-up class? Like, I was thinking of separating power-up and bonuses. Like, bonuses is just like add stuff to the score, add a life, and a power-up would be something that adds to the gameplay, right? I probably should make the distinction. This way, if I ever do power-up bounces or whatever, then this is there, right? Yeah, I should probably do the distinction. It's not great right now because I don't see a use for the distinction, but it's going to be done in advance instead of having to update everything. Find it weird that I don't see... Oh yeah, it's there. Okay. Yeah. I'm debating taking a break. I probably should. Yeah, I'll take a break. I'll come back like at 7 or 8. Oh, yeah. I need to go to the bathroom anyway, and I honestly think I've done more than enough right now. And I also have something like currently in progress, right? So if I just close down the stream after 3 hours 30, I think was the count, I've done the base of the game. As I said earlier, I still need to tweak the physics because of what you see right now, because yeah, like the ball is just colliding with stuff it shouldn't right now. Like, I think it's colliding with, like, the underside. I also did not cap the paddle, so I should do that eventually. Sorry, trying to not suck at the game I just made. I did some visuals, not perfect. Like, remember, this is prog art, basically. I'm not an artist. I went to school, yes, but that's about it. There you go. And then the metal brick is still there. I just want to hit it to... Come on. I just want to hit the brick. Ah, crap. I died once. Whatever. There you go. But yeah, I need to tweak the physics. Like, honestly, if the ball hits on the left side versus the right side of the paddle, it should do different things. So maybe I'll have like different boxes or something. I don't know. I need to figure something out for that. Other than that, I think I did a good job for now. At least I think so. If I go back to the right screen, I'll open up this. So yeah, 3 hours, 30 minutes, and I have the game done. I say done. Like, now is the polishing part, right? So score, lives, level design, more power-up bricks. And honestly, I think power-up bricks tonight is gonna be the fun part. Like the collectibles. I want to do glue balls also. Also, resetting the ball on the paddle is something I have not done yet, so yeah. It's going well. But yeah, for now I'll stop streaming. I'd love to raid people, but I think I have exactly 0 viewers. So yeah. Yep. So I'll just see you later if there's still people around. Yep. Hey, bye-bye.